This is me, Coach Mandy Jo, and this pose is shoulder pow pull. Shoulder pow pose. Easy for me to say. So this one, you're going to need a strap, a belt, something. It doesn't matter whether it's a piece of rope, if it's a yoga belt, yoga strap, a belt, it doesn't matter. I happen to have this one sitting around that I use all the time. So if you have one, great. If not, grab a belt out of your closet, out of your significant other's closet, your kid's closet, wherever. It works. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to turn. I'm going to turn sideways because it helps. So I'm going to throw this over the back. And what you're going for is this elbow is needs to be over 90 degrees. So it's got to be at least this much, preferably this high. You can even do it straight up, but you can't see my hand because it disappears. Trust me, it's still there. And this is my left hand. Now my right hand is going to go up, and I'm going to turn backwards. And see how I have the elbow sticking up? And I have both my elbows. Your goal is to move your hands eventually to where they come together. Mine don't quite make it there yet. Always a work in progress, but see how you grab. And you do that on both sides. That is shoulder pow pose.